These train rides look like something straight out of a dream. But which one is the best? Let's rank them. At number 3, the Glacier Express, a 7-hour journey through the Swiss Alps with insane views of snow-capped mountains. Number 2 is Russia's Lake Berlinskoye train ride, a surreal journey where the tracks pass right through a pink lake. And at number 1, New Zealand's Transalpine. This magical ride takes you through glaciers, rivers, and endless green valleys. Imagine sipping coffee while watching these views. Absolute bucket list goals. Which train ride would you take first? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more amazing travel facts.